What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at something. It's more of like a follow-up really to something that we looked at in the past, and that is the bulletproof material made very slick cell phone case for the iPhone. Now this one is the iPhone 6. If you guys didn't check out that video, definitely go check it out because the one for the other case that we actually got, we shot it and that was really fun, so definitely go check out that video. But today they actually sent us the car holder for it, which is really cool, and I'm not sure what this box is. I didn't look at it yet, but I know that's what this is. This case actually has a metal plate on the inside of it, and they sell these car holders that go with it. I don't know if it's two separate ones or what. We're gonna just open them up and take a look. Patika MagMount QI. Wireless charging, what? Wireless charging while driving? Oh, okay, maybe it's two different products here. Hold on. Let's just take a look. All right, got the famous Patika carbon fiber look to it. That's really cool. Okay, so this you can see, this will clip on the vents in your car and you can tighten it down. It's just a ball joint so you can move it and angle it how you want to. But this is actually the magnetic plate and it connects right to it. Check that out. Oh wow, yeah, that's strong. Oh yeah, man, that's really strong actually. Very cool. That's really slick. So no more of those big bulky phone holders that you have in your car, which I actually have one. I'm definitely gonna replace it with this. Big time, that is so cool. Not only does it hold your phone, but it has a micro USB port at the bottom for wireless charging. So that's really cool. Can the iPhone 6 wirelessly charge? So the iPhone 6, I didn't actually know, so I had to look it up, but the iPhone 6 doesn't have wireless charging capability, but I believe my Note 5 does. So let's try it out. I honestly have no clue. I've never used it before.
Scroll down to where it says Smart Manager.
Smart Manager.
Okay,
Smart Manager. I don't need anything else from you. Goodbye. Aha! Yes, of course.
At the very bottom here, fast wireless charging. Now that you have fast wireless charging.
Oh!
Anyways, I have fast wireless charging.
It's working already. Here I am looking it up. It's already working. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see. Bam! It's working. Wow! I've never used wireless charging on here. That's really cool. So it does work. So if you have a compatible phone that has the wireless charging, plus you have one of these cases, you stick it on there, and while you're in your car, you can see it clear as day because it's in your peripheral, and it'll charge your phone. Fantastic. Very cool. I'm really liking that. Let's see what this is. I don't know if this is just another one or what. Open. I'm gonna tear this box. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's another one. So what's the difference here? Is this just a different unit? No, it looks like the same. Oh, we got a second one. Oh, okay, I see. This one is your basic model. It has the magnetic strip in there, but it comes with this magnetic plate to actually put on your phone. So if you don't want to dish out the 40, I think it's like 40 bucks or something for a case like this, you can take this, peel it off, stick it on the back of your phone, and then boom, you can stick your phone on this one. This one doesn't have the wireless charging capability. It's just a phone holder. There you go, two different models. I didn't know that. That's really cool. I'm really liking that. I'm gonna use this one for now, but when I do upgrade my iPhone finally and get on board with everybody else, I'm just a regular guy, okay? Apple, you wanna hit me up, send me a phone. Again, if you're looking for a nice, simple, basic solution to keeping your phone in place and in your view so you can drive and drive safely, that's a really good way to do it, and it doesn't take up too much space. It's when it's in your car, you're just gonna see that. Very cool. I really like Patika. Their brand is good stuff. Anyway guys, again, definitely go check out the video for this case. I highly suggest this case. Besides the one that we've destroyed, but this one I have kept on my iPhone 6 since I got it, and I absolutely love it. It's a great look. It feels nice. It's really slick. So definitely go check out that video as well. Anyway guys, again, links will be down in the description below. Go check them out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.